The T-bird is a great push-up variation that's going to build your side obliques, work on shoulder strength, and always work on chest strength. From a push-up position on your toes or on your knees, come down into a push-up, squeeze back up and use the momentum as you rise to carry yourself over to one side, drive your hips up in the air, twist back over to center, land softly, coming right back down into the push-up, and then spinning to the other side. To increase the difficulty here, you can float the top leg off your bottom leg and come back down, landing softly with that foot still elevated off the ground.